Conscious robots could mean one thing, that humans can be replaced. But to what extent? Powerful homodeus may replace humans. Let's dive and find out what will happen when machines become conscious. And what when robots become conscious? Humans may easily develop and recognize a sentient robot, while others believe it is impossible. There's debate over whether machines can ever be sentient, let alone how we'd know if they are. Your perspective may be influenced by your understanding of consciousness. Stay tuned till the end, as we are going to share what is going to happen when the robot will become conscious and probably emotional. Hello, and welcome back to the AI universe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the new things we bring for you regarding the tech and the trends, but also the vital difference between the haves and have-nots. Having said that, let's find what if robots become conscious. If the subjective experience of consciousness is an illusion caused by brain processes, computers that reproduce these processes would be conscious in the same way we are. What evidence would we have? A Turing test in which a machine must persuade a human interrogator that it is aware. According to Tufts University's Daniel Dennett, proper energy, hostility, and cleverness should be adequate. Michael Graziano of Princeton University thinks we should go straight to the source. Consciousness, according to his view, is the brain's simplified model of its own workings, a representation of how it represents things. He believes that a machine with a self-reflective model comparable to his can be constructed. We would know this is a computer with a rich self-description if we could design it in such a way that we could peer into its guts, he explains. It's a computer that thinks it's alive, and those are verifiable because in theory, you can understand how the machine processes information. When was the name of robot first used? The name robot was first used in the 1920 Czech play RUR, which depicts against robotic rebellion. The creation of an alien lifeform on Earth would be akin to the existence of a robotic consciousness, something generated outside of original programming. Artificial intelligence can only learn what we program it to learn, no matter how smart it appears to be. Those abilities have largely been employed to educate people how to play video games until recently. What if we taught robots about human awareness, basics like pain and safety? Kurzgesagt examines the philosophical issues raised by such a decision, focusing primarily on what-if scenarios. While Kurzgesagt highlights René Descartes' views on animal rights, the argument has raged on for decades. Harvard philosopher Peter Singer has recently called for species equality and a greater focus on effective charities. As Kurzgesagt points out, robots may have varying desires, but this may not be a factor. Will we consider their feelings if machines become conscious? In 2009, Singer inquired. The only non-human sentient beings we've encountered thus far, animals, provide little cause to be optimistic. Finally, if an issue as unique as robot awareness becomes more than a hypothetical, the specific conditions that led to it will have to be discovered. If it was intended to have human-like capacities that might accidentally give rise to awareness, Singer writes, we would have a good basis to suppose it was conscious. According to Elon Musk, human awareness will be transferred to robots. Was consciousness of artificial intelligence possible? Intelligence is already a part of the word, and it is threatening to become increasingly significant in everyday life, including at Elon Musk's company. Tesla is currently developing a robot that allows individuals to download their consciousness and personality. Humanoid robots have already been created. AI is developing at a breakneck speed. Musk remarked in an interview with Matthias Döpfner, CEO of the Axel Springer publishing company, that humans will be able to download their memories and personalities in it in the future. We could download the characteristics that we believe distinguish us from others. Of course, it will make a difference if you are no longer in that body, but I believe we can maintain our memories and personalities, he continued. Although no timeline has been given, Optimus, a humanoid robot, will do repetitive, tedious, or dangerous tasks for humans. Basically, people don't want to do the labor, Musk explained. This year, the Optimus is planned to begin presenting trailers in its prototype for its initial functions, with a moderate production model following in 2023. As a result, Elon Musk's vision of being able to download the user's memories and personalities to a humanoid robot is still a pipe dream, but it could become a reality in the not-too-distant future. We are going to discuss an interesting reality with you. Can we download our minds and personalities? Elon Musk is developing a machine that will allow us to download our minds and personalities. In 2023, Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated that he will be able to begin mass commercialization of a humanoid robot. What the world's wealthiest man has in his boxes is certain to make his critics furious. Most importantly, it raises ethical concerns. According to the millionaire, humanoid robots will soon be able to download your mental faculties. Tesla introduced Optimus, a robot, in the year 2021. Musk said, "I think it's conceivable, which would be a new type of never-ending existence." Dopfner concluded. Musk agreed before adding, "Yes, we could save the features that we believe set us apart. Of course, there will be a change if you are no longer in that body, but I believe we could preserve our memories and personalities." Are you going to be able to transfer your brain anytime soon? Musk doesn't say no when asked if it's on the way. "I'm not sure where the line is drawn. It's considerably more fluid in my opinion," he progressed. "We already outsource a significant amount of computation. On our phones and computers, we keep our memories in the form of photographs and video. Computers and phones enhance our ability to communicate, allowing us to accomplish feats that would previously have been deemed miraculous. We've already greatly upgraded our human minds using computers," he says. In August of 2021, the first Tesla robot, dubbed TeslaBot, was unveiled. It was 5 foot 8 inches tall and 125 pounds. "The most critical product development we're doing this year," Musk said in January. During Tesla's fourth quarter results call in January, Musk said that Optimus, a human in a robot suit that the business unveiled in August 2021, is the next big product the company is working on in 2022. According to Musk, the Tesla bot would be powered by the same artificial intelligence algorithms that power Tesla vehicles. "I believe the Optimus humanoid robot is our most important product development this year. Analysts," he remarked. "Labor is the cornerstone of the economy. Labor is reduced to capital equipment. So what if there isn't a labor shortage at all? At that point, I'm not even sure what an economy is. That is exactly what Optimus is for, and it is crucial." Elon Musk says that humanoid robots are here. Humanoid robots are on the verge of becoming a reality, according to Musk in the interview. "I don't want anything in my possession that could endanger humanity. However, humanoid robots are becoming more common," he said. "AI is rapidly evolving." Apart from their usage in Tesla plants, where they will do repetitive jobs, Musk sees a variety of other applications for these robots. Optimus is a generic labor robot. The first job must be repetitious, boring, or dangerous. In other words, work that people don't want to do, explains the billionaire. He also feels that Optimus will play a role in our everyday life because he is a general-focused humanoid. Musk claims that a prototype of the Optimus will be available by the end of the year and that Tesla will begin selling it in 2023. "I think we'll have something very excellent at the prototype level this year," Musk said, "and it might be ready for at least moderate volume production by the end of next year." Musk, on the other hand, admitted in 2018 that having too much automation is a mistake. "Yes, Tesla made a mistake by automating too much. My fault, to be precise. Humans are misunderstood," he wrote. Robots in future will become receptive of emotions. In fact, that is not a hard thing to program to. But will they become emotional by themselves? And will it be useful to make them emotional? It is unpredictable. Let us know in the comment section below. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss any video. Thanks for watching till the end.